Hello future hustlers, welcome back again to my page, and yes, I'm down to my fourth and final question for this challenge, which is, why can't you just tell me what it's all about? So this is again related to our buzzing digital business. Okay, now the reason why it's called 90% automated is because we can get answers to many different type of questions in as easy as one click of a button. Okay, I've been in your shoes, I tell you, and I follow the rules, I follow the policy, I follow the process. I watched the webinar diligently, and I saw the value. Kaya I know that this business fits me well, and I know dahil sa ganung proseso, pag-follow ng proseso, ang mga tao na nalalaman nila na this business also fits them or not. And all the important information about this business can be found on our 90-minute webinar. So it's a long webinar, and I cannot compress all this valuable information in just a couple of minutes. Not even 5, imposible. Kaya naman this procedure, this step is designed to do just that. Kasi it's very important na lahat ng information is madaanan mo, lahat ng steps is madaanan mo. Ngayon, syempre, hindi lahat ng tao patient. So, only those who are truly interested on doing the business will find time to watch the webinar. So, and for them to do that, all they have to do is to just register a valid email address and on my website or on somebody else's website, and that's it. They will receive all the information on their email right away. At ayun na yun, you can watch it on your time, on your own pace, and study and see if that business is really for you or not. Ganun lang yun kasimple. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next one sa mga susunod na araw for the new challenge ahead. Okay, much love everybody. God bless.